Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Hukamnama today is on Ang number 686 of Guru Granth Sahib Ji by Guru Arjan Dev Ji in Tanasri. Waheguru Ji Tanasri Mahalla Panjwa Ghar Chhewa Ashtapadi Ek Oankar Satgur Prasad Jo jo juni आयो तेह तेह उरझायो मानस जन्म संजोग पाया ताकी है ओट साध रखो दे कर हाथ कर कृपा मिल हो हर राया जो जो जूनी आयो तेह तेह उरझायो मानस जन्म संजोग पाया ताकी है ओट साध रखो दे कर हाथ कर कृपा मिल हो हर राया अनेक जन्म भ्रम थित नहीं पाई करो सेवा गुर लागो चरण गोविंद जी का मार्ग देहो जी बताई रहाओ अनेक उपाव करो माया को विचित धरो मेरी मेरी करत सद ही विहावै कोई ऐसो रे भेटै संत मेरी लाहै सगल चिंत ठाकुर स्यों मेरा रंग लावै पढ़े रे सगल बेद नह चूकै मन भेद एक खिन ना धीर हैं मेरे घर के पंचा कोई ऐसो रे भगत जो माया ते रहत एक अमृत नाम मेरा हृदय सिंचा जे तेरे तीर्थ नहाए अहं बुद्ध मैल लाए घर को ठाकुर एक तिल ना मानै कद पावो साध संग हर हर सदा आनंद ज्ञान अंजन मेरा मन इस नानै सगल असरम कीने मनुआ नह पतीने विवेकहीन देही धोए कोई पाइय रे पुरख विधाता पार ब्रह्म कै रंग राता मेरे मन की दुर्मत मल खोए कर्म धर्म जुगता निमख ना हेत करता गर्भ गर्भ पड़ै कही ना लेखै जिस भेटिया सफल मूरत करै सदा कीरत गौर प्रसाद कऊ नेत्र हो पेखै मन हठ जो कमावै तिल ना लेखै पावै बगल ज्यों ध्यान लावै माया रे धारी कोई ऐसो रे सुख है दाई प्रभ की कथा सुनाई तिस भेटे गत हुए हमारी सुप्रसन्न गोपाल राय काटै रे बंधन माए गुर कै शब्द मेरा मन राता सदा सदा आनंद भेटियो निर्भै गोबिंद सुख नानक लाधे हर चरण प्राता सफल सफल भई सफल यात्रा आवन जान रहे मिले साधा रहाओ दूजा सफल सफल भई सफल यात्रा आवन जान रहे मिले साधा रहाओ दूजा Satguru Arjan Sahib Ji Maharaj speaks in Tanasi Rag Shemakar in the 6th house of beat, rhythm and rhyme, Suran Tal, Ashtapadi in 8 parts, Padi, Padi meaning feet, Asht meaning 8, 8 feet, 8 parts to the Shabad. Ek Oankar Satguru Prasad, there is one eternal Waheguru who is the creator, nourisher and destroyer of all Oankar, who is found through the Prasad, the grace, the help, the grace, the mercy of the eternal Guru, the Satguru, Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Jo jo juni ayo. All of those who are ayo, who have come into juni, into this world, who are born into as life forms on this earth, teh teh urjayo. Those who are born as juni, those who come onto this earth because of their past actions, their past karma, and are born in the circle of reincarnation, rebirth, teh teh urjayo. All of them are entangled in this world. All of them have some entanglement with ego or lust or desires or greed or anger. But Guru Sahib says, Manas Janam Sanjog Paya. Manas Janam, this human life, is found is Paya through Sanjog, through blessings, through blessed destiny. Sanjog means the highest destiny. It's a blessing to have this human life. Taki hai ot sad. And in this human life, what have I done? Taki, I look for the aid, the support of Saad, of the saints. Rakho de kar haath. O saints, please Rakho, please protect me. De kar, give me your hand and take me out of the darkness that I'm in. Kar kirpa mil ho har raya. O Raya, O King Vaheguru Hari, O God, please mil ho, please unite me with that Har Raya, with that Lord God. Kar kirpa. Bless me with that grace. O saints, take me by the hand. I've taken your support. Unite me with God. Anik janam pram thit nahi pai. For many janam, many life forms, I've been pram, wandering around. Thit nahi pai. Thit means stability. I've not found any stability. I've not found a place of rest. Karon seva gur lago charan. Karon seva. And what does the saint says? The saint says, do seva, perform selfless service of the Guru, lago charan, and attach yourself to the charan, to the feet of the Guru. What is the feet of the Guru? Chit charan naam. The name of the Guru, the name of God is the charan, is the feet of the Guru. Attach yourself to God's name. You have attached yourself to the feet of Guru Nanak. Govind ji ka marg deho ji batai. And when you attach yourself to the feet of the Guru, beg the Guru, say, Govind ji ka marg, please batai, tell me the marg, the path to God. Rahul, pause and think about this today. Anik upav karon. But Guru Sahib Ji talks about the way we live our lives. Anik upav karon. I do many upav, many different ways, many different methods. Maya ko bachet taro. I do many different methods, many different ways of getting together money, getting together material goods, getting together things of this world. And I have so much bachet, so much love for these material things. Meri kart sadhi vihava. My whole life is vihava, spent saying Meri, this belongs to me, this is mine, this is mine, that is mine, this is mine. That's how my whole life goes by. Koi aso re pete sant. May I meet such, pete means to me, such a sant, such a saint. Meri lahe sagal chint, who takes away sagal, all of my chint, all of my anxieties, all of my worries. Thakar syo mera rang lave. And who can lava, who can attach me into the rang, into the love of God. Padere sagal bed. I have read sagal, all of the bed, all of the spiritual scriptures. Nah chuke man ped, but chuke means to be removed. Man ped means the ped, the doubts of my mind. The doubts of my mind have not been removed. Ek khin na tira hai mere kar ke pancha. Mere kar means inside my spiritual body there is pancha, there are 5 thieves. Desires, anger, greed, attachment, and ego. Ik kin na tira. They do not let me have tira. They do not let me have any calmness in my mind, even for a kin, even for a second. Koi aso re bhagt. Is there any bhagat? Is there any devotee of God? Jo maya te rahat, who is unattached, who is rahat, who is untouched by this love of material gain. Maya, by this illusion of the world. Ik amrit naam mera hriday sincha. And who can sincha, who can imbue me with, who can colour me with, who can completely shower me in the name of God, the Amrit, the immortal nectar of God's name. Jetere tirath nae, all of the tirath, the holy places of pilgrimage, nae, that I've bathed at. Ahang buddha malai. Instead of taking away any dirt, ahang buddha malai, I've attached more mal, more dirt of ahang buddha, of ego. Kar ko thakur ek til na mane. Vaheguru Ji na mane is not pleased. Kar, if we go to places of pilgrimage and instead of listening to the Bani and attaching to the Guru and humbly serving the Sangat, we come back and we carry around ego with us that we've been here, we've been there. Kar ko Thakur, Lord God who lives Kar within us, ik til na mane. Vaheguru Ji is not pleased. Ik til, even a small amount by this. Kad pavo sad sang. When will I find the sad sang, the company of the holy saints? Har har sada anand. Joining with them, I'll chant the name of God. Har har sada anand, and forever I'll be blessed with bliss. Gyan anjan mera man isananna. And in the company of the saints, I can isananna, I can bathe my mind in the anjan, in the ointment of gyan, in the ointment of spiritual wisdom, which will take away all of the filth of many past life forms. Sagal asram kine. I followed out all of the asram. Asram was 4 stages of life that used to be said in Indian culture that first you're a student, then you become a householder, then you start living slightly away from your children, and then in the end you go and live in the jungles. Guru Sahib Ji says that human beings have followed this way of living. Manua nahapatine, but the mind nahapatine is not coloured or changed any way. The mind is not still. Bebekhin dehi toe. Without wisdom, I keep washing my physical self, but my spiritual self isn't washed. Koi paiye re purkh bidata. May I find koi paiye? Can I find any purkh bidata? Par Brahm ke rang rata. Any servant of Purkh Bidata, that eternal being Vaheguru, who is the creator of all of our destinies, who is Rata, who is coloured in the rang, in the colour of God's love. Mere man ki durmat mal khoye, who can take away the mal, the filth of durmat, of evil-mindedness. Durmat means that mat, that wisdom. We can't really call it wisdom, but those clever tricks which take us dur, take us away from God, that's called durmat. That which takes us away from Vaheguru, from Guru Sahib Ji. And Guru Sahib Ji is saying, can I find such a great saint who can wash away all of this filth from inside me? Karma dharma jugta nimkna het karta. I do many jugta, many methods of karma dharma, of rituals external. Nimkna het karta, but nimak, even for a second, I do not have het, love inside me. Garb pada. I read in garb, in ego. Kahi na likha hai. Guru Sahib Ji says that none of this is any likha in any account. Jis petiya safal murat. That person who petiya, who meets safal murat, that being, that character, that personality, Vaheguru, the Guru, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, whose meeting is safal, is always rewarding meeting the Guru. Kara sada kirt, meeting with the Guru, what do you do? Sada kirt, sada, forever sing the kirt, the praise of God. Gur prasad ko netra ho pek hai. Gur prasad, the grace of the Guru, only a few people meet with such a character, only a few people meet with Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. If Guruji blesses you with their own prasad, their own grace, manhat jo kamave, everything you do in your own manhat, in your stubborn mindedness, on the path of your own mind, til na likhe pave, even a til, even an instant of that, even a sesame seed amount of that, doesn't come into any likha, into any account. Bagal jo dhyan lave, even if you were to close your eyes and meditate like a crane, maya re tari, O follower of Maya, of this illusion of the world. Koi aisore sukhadai, is there such a giver of peace? Sukhadai, the giver of peace. Prabhu ki katha sunai, who gets me to listen to, who recites to me the katha, the sermon of God, the praises of God, the path to God, the katha of God, the explanation of God. This pete, meeting that person, gata hoye hamari, my gat, my liberation. I am liberated by meeting that person. Gata means to be liberated. Suprasan Gopal Rai. When Gopal Rai, the creator of this universe, the king of this universe, Rai, Vaheguru, is Suprasan, is happy upon me, is pleased with me. Katare bandhan mai. Vaheguruji then cuts away the bandhan, the entanglements, the enslavery of Maya, of this illusion of the world, of material gain. Gur ka sabd, with the Guru Shabad, with the Guru's mantra, with the Guru's words. Mera man rata, my mind is rata, is imbued in love with the Guru's words, the Guru Shabad. Sada sada anand. And when you're in love with the Guru Shabad, sada sada, forever and forever, you're in anand, bliss. Petyo nirpay Gobind, this is the path of Petyo, of meeting Nirpay, that fearless Gobind, the Lord God, creator of this universe. Sokh nanak lade. Sadhguru Sahib Ji says that I have found sokh, true peace in my life. Har charan prata, when I was attached to the charan, to the lotus feet of God, when I attached myself to the Guru's words. Safal safal pai safal jatra, my journey has become safal. It has become blessed. It has become safal, fruitful. It has become satisfied. My coming and going onto this earth has been blessed. Avan Jan Rahe. My coming and going, Avan Jan, my birth and death, Rahe, has been removed. Mile Sada, when I met with the saints, my rebirth was all removed. I didn't have to come back onto this earth again. My coming and going was ended, and I gained eternal stability. Rahao Duja. Guruji says, pause and think about this as well upon this day. Safal safal pai safal jatra, avan jaan rahe mile sadha rahao duja. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।